Here I am, tooling through Bequia Bay, Admiral Bay, and it's definitely upscale cruising. I mean, all of these vessels look like they're 200-300 grand and up, and very well maintained, unlike many of the places farther north, especially Martin Beach, which was surprising, and the U.S. Virgins, where there's a ton of derelicts, and half the boats in the harbor look like they are suspected of being derelict. But the Bequia clientele, like I said, is very well groomed, looking good. The harbor is just, I mean, this place is really picturesque. The people are wonderful. I just feel really happy to have found this place. It could take me 25 years and 100 grand to get here. But, I don't know. It's like a good spot to get to know better, maybe come back.